The WinStar Star of the Week is Verrazano. A 3-year-old colt by leading sire More Than Ready, Verrazano shot to the top of many Derby lists last Saturday after his breathtaking 16 1/4 length victory in an allowance race at Gulfstream Park.
It's all Verrazano running away. He's going to win this one from Brooklyn to Staten Island.
Verrazano stopped the clock in 1:34 4/5 for the mile, earning the talented colt a 1:05 Beyer speed figure, the highest recorded by a 3-year-old so far in 2013. Undefeated and unchallenged in 2 starts, Verrazano becomes the latest rising star for his sire More Than Ready, who himself is an international star at stud with over 100 stakes winners spanning both hemispheres. Undefeated 3-year-old Verrazano, the WinStar Star of the Week.